Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching today. Wow, I can't believe I'm doing my first ever live broadcast. For those who don't know me, my name is Grace. I'm a mother of one, a beautiful daughter who lives in Australia, and I am originally from the Philippines. I am a full time dental nurse by day and a part time cleaner by night, and a passionate online entrepreneur who's building my dream life while working. I have a special guest tonight, or today, or this afternoon, wherever you are. Ate Myra is joining with me today. She is a nurse, a mom, a wife, and an online entrepreneur from Canada. She is looking for her retirement and is looking after her aging parents who are in Calgary, Canada. Thank you, Ate, for accepting my invitation. I wanted to take a point of view with you why, as a nurse, still wanted to do an online business. I have a 5 question, Ate, if you are happy to
Oh,
answer.
oh, yes, I would love to answer them. And hello, good evening po sa inyong lahat. My name is Myra Beltran. Thank you, Grace, for having me over as your very first
Thank
guest
you.
on your page. It's an
Oh my
honor. I'm
God.
sure this will just be
Thank
fun.
you so
This will just
much.
be fun. And hello, good evening to everybody, to all the viewers and supporters and followers of Grace. And yeah, just continue supporting her. Good morning to some of you in the other parts of the world. Here with me in Victoria, it's about 8:08 p.m. Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta ka, Grace?
Kumusta ang lahat? Okay naman po, Ate. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited and I'm nervous, so I don't know. Just bear with me. Bear with us, guys.
Don't be. This is to
So,
be a fun chit chat.
fun
Yeah.
chit-chat lang po ito. Kaya wag po kayong magalit. Stay lang po kayo, makikinig
Oh,
at para may aral kayong makukuha sa amin today. So,
hopefully, able to
yes,
golden
hopefully po.
nuggets inspire them.
Yes. Um, Let me start my question, Ate.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah.
I have a 5 question for Ate Myra, and let's hear from her. This is her honest story. When she started this business. So let's hear it from her. My first question: what made you start an online business even though you already had a stable nursing job?
Thank you. Wow. Direct to the point question, direct to the point answer din po. Well, I started an online business. I started like a little over a year ago. So I have not been doing this for very long, but I am enjoying it very much. Actually, your question is a question of many. Why nurses still, start their own
Yeah.
online business? And of course, maybe iba-iba yung sagot natin. But for me, from my point of view, it's not just for nurses, but for everybody. But personally, I started this online business because I'm looking forward to my retirement, as what you had mentioned. And I think this is a good way of preparing for your retirement because while you're still employed, while you still have the energy to start something new that may be outside of your comfort zone, you're already building it and you're already putting your effort and your time to it. It's an investment, and I can say that it is in preparation also for my golden years, and also because alam mo naman mga nurses, hindi naman kami excuse sa sakit ng balakang, sakit ng likod at sakit ng tuhod. So that when that time comes when I'm ready to retire, I know I have something that's gonna be another stream of income apart from my pension, from my retirement plan. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I started this online business. And another reason why I started doing the online business is because this, I think, is something that is more relaxed, easier to do than a traditional business. With me being working full time as a nurse, I'm not able to spend so much energy in doing a traditional business like a buy and sell or somewhere where something that I needed to be somewhere, to be an office, to be in an office or to be like yung alam mo yung business na you really have to be physically there to do it. And so when I thought about having a side hustle, the online business was what I thought about. And I don't have any experience. I don't have any business background, but I thought about this because this is something that I am sure I can learn from it and I can build it. Um, of course, I also started this online business because I want to help more my family primarily, and also this is a good way to um, fund my charities back home. And also another thing is because nurses do get taxed a lot. Um, if I run an online business, I can write off a lot of the expenses, the business related, and then that will even out the taxes that I make. So many reasons why I started an online business. But yeah, those are some of them.
Yeah, all of us, we wanted to have more time with my family. We wanted to secure our future for our
Yeah.
retirement. So that's why we started this online business. And this is like legit. So this is not a scam. So everyone like
Yeah.
asking, is this a scam? No, this is not a scam. This is a legit. Then this is registered. So every
Yeah.
one of us wanted
Sure.
to have more freedom. Yeah. And
That's
spend more time with my family. Yeah.
yeah, that's very basic why you want to build something like this is yung gusto
Yeah.
mo na yung kaya mong gawin at saka para hindi ka nakatali sa iyong 9 to 5 job or in my case the
That's
shifting
right.
because of course kasama 'yan kaakibat ng pagtanda at pag-look forward mo sa retirement, gusto mo ng magkaroon ka ng freedom. Apart from that is
Correct.
kasi ako mother of 6 children ako. Nung maliliit yung mga anak ko, siyempre meron akong mga milestones na na-miss sa buhay nila while they were growing up because I had to work full time. Starting this online business, ito yung chance ko para makabawi sa kanila. I know hindi na natin mababalik yung mga time na yon, but now that they are much older, iba na rin yung mga needs nila at yung mga needs ng mga anak ko ngayon sa pag-flourish ng business ko. Ito ang makakatugon dun sa mga needs na yon.
Correct. Yes. So, di ba, with so many people doing this business, so why not us doing it as well? So,
Exactly.
so that's why Ate Myra and I took the leap of faith to jump into an online business.
Exactly. This is
Okay.
actually not my comfort zone, but I
Yeah.
felt if I stayed in my comfort zone, I'm probably not growing. But having this thing that I'm doing, it's so different from nursing, but outcome wise, maganda ang financial security nakasama ng online business and yeah, aside from that, talagang yung time mo, pwede mong sarilinin kapag online business owner ka. And eventually, kapag nag-retire ka na and you quit your job, you can run the business anytime and anywhere. Hindi mo kailangang nakatali ka lang dun sa isang office. And then even when you're on vacation, yung business mo, pwede mong gawin during that time. Kung gusto mo lang. And isa pa marami namang support. Kaya
Yes. we have this
Ganda.
amazing community. You know, we will support us every step of the way. So we are not alone in this business. Everybody's helping each other. So
Yes,
that's
yes.
why.
You build connections too. Like most of our
Yeah.
business partners, they're people who are unknown to us. Hindi natin sila kakilala, and then they come to us and they say, I want to start an online business too, and I want to achieve, number 1 to 5 of the reasons, their whys for working so hard
Yes.
for starting a business. And so from that, you build your network, you build the connection, and you're never alone.
That's
Yeah.
right. Thank you, Ate, for answering the question one.
Oh,
That
you're
is
welcome.
really a gold answer. I hope everybody's get a nuggets from there. We proceed for the question two. Okay. What has been the biggest challenge so far in growing your online business?
Biggest challenge ko, I must say, hindi kasi ako tech savvy. Pero, you know what I find out when I actually came into the community is, aside from the support of the people around you, nakita ko may mga lola na. Merong mga
Yes, that's right.
there are like 18-year-old business owners, pero up to 85 ba yung oldest sa community natin. And I thought, well, kung kaya nila, aba, siguro naman ang 50-something-year-old na nurse, kaya din na mag-start. Yung challenge ko, kasi hindi ako tech savvy. And then, alam mo, kahit na, yes, challenging yung ganon, naisip ko, baka marunong kang mag-Facebook, marunong kang mag-type ng very basic sa computer or sa laptop. Kaya ko tong gawin. So,
Correct.
yeah, di ba? Iniisip ko, kasi hawak mo yung cellphone mo, di ba? Nagta-type ka na. Like ako, meron naman akong Facebook, pero in the beginning, yung Facebook ko parang para lang ako magkaroon ng account. Hindi naman ako active sa Facebook, hindi naman ako nagpo-podcast, hindi rin ako madalas mag-post. Ginagawa ko lang siya na scrolling, to check after what happened sa mga family, and then if they're asking me, what did you do last vacation? So, doon lang ako magpo-post. Pero yung challenge na yon na I have to be tech savvy, nasuportahan yan. Kasi yung online business, meron siyang training, and it's step by step. So video
Yes, that's right.
based, for somebody like me na hindi mahilig sa computer, na okay lang na marunong na akong mag-type, mag-text ng message, mag-send ng message. Ito, yung challenge na yon, ma-enjoy mo until magiging marunong ka na, kaya mo na, and then parang i-praise mo yung sarili mo. Kaya mo naman pala. O di ba? Parang masaya. Ang isa pang naging challenge ko noon, kasi nga ay hindi ako mahilig lumabas sa social media. So, when they said na, magandang platform ang Facebook, sabi ko, number 1, meron na ako noon. Tapos, nung sinabi nila na, no, it would help kung para makita ng mga tao that this business is being run by a real person na humaharap. Yun, parang na-overcome ko naman yun. Yeah. So, yes, there are challenges in running the business, but ano ba naman ang wala? I'm sure all business has a lot of challenges, but for this one, because you belong to a community, natutulungan ka na i-tackle yung mga
Yes.
malaman. Yeah, I really love
Gina-guide nila tayo. Yeah.
I really love the training. It's like world class. Talagang,
Yes, it is.
doesn't know anything about computer or about business or about marketing, matututunan talaga. Yeah.
Kasi sa training natin, di ba, nandun na lahat, kulang na lang, susubo na lang natin yun eh. Kasi nandun na siya. So, nasa sayo na yun. Kasi kailangan mo siyang ano talaga, di ba?
Alam mo, ang isang challenge ko pa rin dati, yung mindset. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi nung una, ang iniisip ko, hindi ko kaya to. Yung sa simula pa lang, na mag-start ako, Yung bang sabi ko, naku, kaya ko ba 'to? Yun nga, hindi ako magaling sa computer, sa technology, pagkatapos sa social media, bihirang-bihira naman ako mag-post. But, lahat ng yun, pwede kong matutunan eh. Parang yung sarili ko ang pumipigil sa akin. I guess it was my own negativity, which was the biggest challenge. Yung mindset ko talaga. Kasi hindi ako naniwala sa sarili ko, na kaya ko pala. Tapos, isa pang challenge ko na sarili ko rin, yung natatakot ako na baka ako i-judge, baka ako i-bash, anong sasabihin ng family ko, anong sasabihin ng mga nakakakilala sa akin, sasabihin nila, ano ba yan, nurse na, maayos naman na yung kita, bakit mag-online business pa? Yun, isa yun sa mga naging challenges ko na transform ko rin siya into opportunities. Kasi minsan iniisip natin na yung mga tao nag-iisip ng not too good sa atin because sasabihin, ay nako, yung napasukan yan, scam yan. Pero hindi eh. Yung along the way, as you're learning at natututunan mo na talaga the ins and outs of the business, yung mga people na iniisip mo na mag-judge sa'yo, ikaw lang ang nag-iisip nun talaga eh. 'Di ba? Parang ako lang naman talaga ang nag-isip na i-judge ako or ibabash ako kasi sa totoo lang hindi ko naman sila nakakausap. 'Di ba? Parang natatakot lang ako na okay, now you're out there on social media, parang feeling mo binabash ka na. But actually, hindi naman.
Yes. Pero meron ding iba na yung mostly yung mga friend mo na tawag dito, sabihin, ay, hindi totoo yan, huwag kang maniwala sa ganyan. Pero ate, hindi nila nakikita yung inside the community eh. So tayo, mata natin, kita natin every minute, kahit ano yung mga nandun na pinupost nila, yung mga kita nila, yung mga successful story nila. So, yun kaya yung ibang tao sabihin nila, ay, hindi totoo yan, ganito, kasi wala kayong nakikita namin. Kaya ganun sila kung magsalita. Hindi sila naniniwala sa atin, pero tayo 100% na meron tayong lakas na loob sa business na ito.
Yes, pero basta i-switch mo lang naman yung mindset mo. Kaya it's so important na you look at the good side of things. Kasi it does mean a lot. It will change everything. Basta yung mindset mo, nakafocus ka sa ang gusto mong ma-achieve. Kasi syempre unang-una gusto natin maka-achieve tayo ng personal growth. Yung may matututunan tayo na magagamit natin sa pansarili nating buhay. And of course, yung financial stability, hindi naman natin ikakaila na talagang malaki ang naitutulong ng online business sa atin at sa napakaraming families. Kaya nga tayo nandito at nagsistay, di ba? Kasi alam natin matutunguhan ito. Kaya yung mga challenges na yon na number 1, yung parang you're lacking faith in yourself and nagpapadala ka sa, I should say, sulsol ng iba na hindi totoo yan, challenge yan. Pero just turn things around. Yeah.
To yourself na lang, ganon.
Yes.
Tidma na lang yung iba, wag na lang makinig.
Know your why, know that you are capable of dreaming and making those dreams come true.
Yeah, you need to know like why did you join this business. Just think of your family and that time that you missed to spend time with them. So this is really so you can mabawi mo yung mga time na na-miss natin, yung mga time na kahit nga yung mga family natin overseas hindi natin nakakausap, 'di ba? So may Facebook nga tayo, ginagamit lang natin siyang communication sa ibang bansa kung nasaan man yung mga family natin. So hindi talaga tayo nito mga tech savvy dati. So ako, although nag-aral man ako ng online twice, pero hindi talaga as in katulad dito sa business na pinasukan natin na talaga namang lahat ng training matutunan mo. Diba? So ito ang napakaganda sa business na to.
Yes.
Thank you, ate. So thank you for answering that question. It is honored for me to for the next question.
Go ahead.
Sorry. Okay, our next question. Have you ever felt like giving up? If so, what keeps you going?
Nung una, nung parang ano, sabi ko, tigil ko ba 'to? Kasi nga ano, parang yung mindset ko nun, hindi pa siya prepared. Hindi pa siya prepared.
Yes.
I lacked confidence. I didn't believe na kaya ko pala. Yun, sabi ko nung una, "Naku, hindi siguro 'to para sa akin." But then when I reassessed myself and I look back, iniisip ko na, well, kung meron akong gustong ma-achieve sa buhay at nandito na 'tong opportunity na 'to, parang God is whispering to me na, pagbutihin mo na 'yan. Kasi it landed in your lap for a reason. Nakita mo yung business na 'to kasi mayroon kang gusto sa buhay na hindi mo na-a-achieve pa sa ngayon. Kaya I just kept going. Sa lahat naman hindi lang sa ginagawa natin na online business. Kahit nga sa nursing 'di ba parang kung estudyante ka, first year parang okay, excited ka, pero kapag dumating lang yung konting pagsubok, iniisip mo magi-give up ka na agad. Pero kung pagtutuloy-tuloy ka, makakarating ka talaga dun sa destination mo. Ako, ang what kept me going is what I see in the community, how everybody is celebrating your
Yeah.
wins and big wins, how everybody's is clapping for you, even though your achievement is not as high as theirs. Napakaganda ng community. At isa pa, what kept me going is when nabanggit ko na to kanina, when I really switched my mindset and said that, you know what, kung patuloy ako sa sitwasyon na ganito at hindi ako magkakaroon ng plan B, maaaring mag-retire ako, napakatanda ko na. Maaaring hindi na ako makabawi sa time na nawala nung maliliit pa yung mga anak ko. So, I thought about my whys, I thought about my family, I thought about the inspiration that I can give other people, that if they're dreamers and they also wanted to achieve something, it has to begin with me, and that I have to be somebody that they will look up to. If I have to inspire people so that hindi lang ako ang magbe-benefit, para ka nang naging winner talaga. And then that will keep you going. You just have
Yes.
to stay resilient kasi alam naman natin sa business at saka sa kahit sa maraming bagay, there's peaks and valleys, there's highs and lows. So,
That's right.
yung isipin mo lang na mag-enjoy ka nitong journey na to, meet as many people as you can, enjoy as much as you can, para yung later on, hindi ko sasabihin sa sarili ko na magsisisi ako kasi I gave up too soon. So, yun, ginawa ko. I became kinder to myself. I trusted the process. I trusted the timing and God's perfect timing. And yun ang mga bagay na kapag nagme-meditate ako every day, mas nagiging grateful ako. Kasi ipinakita sa akin tong online business na to. At binigyan din ako ng chance na parang isip na magi-give up na ba ako o hindi. And because of that, napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na although my progress is slow, it's still progress. At kaya ko. At yung mga iba na wala pa dito sa business is, well, hindi nila talaga alam what they're missing. Diba? Samantalang ako, I already have my foot forward. Kaya sabi ko, I'll keep going na. Kasi yung potential na nakikita ko, yun talaga yung hindi ka magi-give up. Kasi gusto mo siyang ma-achieve. Yun. Medyo you're lagging behind. Internet mo ba ang tumitigil? Grace? medyo you're stuck. Ang kaniyang internet ay mabagal, ladies and gentlemen. Let's, medyo frozen siya. Ayan. Nawala siya.
Sorry na, yung internet ko yata nag-cut off.
Yeah, sabi ko, you're frozen yata.
Are we back now?
Yes, we are. We are still live.
Yeah, I think the internet connection na to.
Yes.
Internet connection natin, sorry. Sorry guys. So we have like a difficulties. The internet connection just went off. I don't know what happened there.
Well, sometimes it's beyond our control, internet connection.
Yes. That's right. So we don't know where it stopped or not. Okay, thank you, Ate. For me naman, yes. I there was that time that I want to give up, and like I have to set my mindset, because I have to always think why did you join this? Why did you start this business? So I always I have to think about my family, why I have to start this business. That time I want to retire early. I don't want to work forever, like a cleaner by night, like dental day.
Yeah. Frozen ka ulit. Tumitigil po ang internet ni Grace. But yes, we are still live. We are still going. Yeah. Yes, ganun po mga followers and listeners ni Grace. Meron time na gusto mo nang mag-give up, just switch that mindset and reboot yourself. You need a reset. Yeah, and just do the reset.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Ate, sharing for your thoughts about that question number 3. And let's proceed to question number 4. Question number.
Basahin ko na, Grace, kasi you get frozen. Many people worry about not being tech savvy. What advice do you have for them? Parang sinagot ko na yan kanina, Grace, because I'm not tech savvy myself. What I would advise is that when you're already here in the business, you will be provided with all the training. When you enter, lahat tayo, we were all not tech savvy, but you just follow the step-by-step training and you will get it. And also, as a matter of fact, in this business, we have what we call them a mastermind, and that happens every week. So sa mastermind natin, we are being taught how to grow and develop our business. So it's an ongoing education. We have leaders in the community teaching us, and regular people, like everybody from all walks of life, that have something to share to help the entire community grow their business. It's there. It is available. And every day, there's about 2 or 3 classes. We call them daily drop-ins, where people who are also in the community share their insights, their knowledge, their experiences. So say, for example, you're struggling with a particular aspect of your business, say it's your mindset. There's people that talk about that to motivate you and to inspire you more on how you can achieve your goal. Meron din kami na mga tao na tumutulong sa amin kung paano namin magagamit yung mga resources na available na to make our business flourish more. So, daily drop-ins ang tawag doon, and it's different speakers. Everybody's from within the community, and they teach you, if you're not too tech savvy, how do you go about these things? If you need help with a boost, then they are there to help us. And also, if say you need help with just about anything. And not only that, There's also offline meetups. We call them either gather and grow or online meets offline. This is to show support to fellow business owners. And then, of course, meron din tayong mentor at meron din tayong coach. And they help us. They are available to give support as well. Meron pa ngang kahit mag one-on-one session kayo, you get the onboarding, you have the constant mentoring if you need help. So I'm gonna message Grace because I think that her internet, she really has a very poor connection. There. Now she's coming back. There. Sis, tumitigil ang internet mo. You get frozen every now and again. But I just continued on. Okay. Are you back? Okay, good.
Problem here.
Okay. Let's just move on. Oh, you're back now. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
So habang hinihintay na Ate Myra,
yes,
yung internet hindi magandang one.
I am.
Next question po is
parang hindi naman ako yung tumitigil. I think it's your internet that's parang
sa aking internet, guys.
There. You're back now. Yeah, are you still there, Grace? Tumitigil talaga yung internet niya. And we are live. Okay. Maybe Grace, wala pa. Let's just maybe end it for now for her viewers. Because she's having a real problem with connection. But maraming salamat po sa lahat sa inyo na nag-tune in at we're very, very sorry the internet really did not work for her. Yeah. I shall be leaving the studio now. Pag hindi pa siya kasi makabalik sa ngayon. Leaving the studio. Yeah. Just continue supporting Grace po. And if you have any questions about the online business, you can message her directly. You can email her or on her website, you can sign up and just leave your name and your email address and she will reach out to you. At sa akin naman po, those who are interested in joining me and becoming part of my team, my website is www.momspiration.ca. Ayan po. And again, my name is Myra Beltran and I am based in Canada. And I am going to be very happy for you to join me and I will be your direct mentor if you like to start this business. Ay, bumalik si Grace.
Internet namin, sorry, nawala. Maraming gumagamit,
Yes.
kaya pasensya na po. Thank you, ate. Narinig ko po yun lahat.
Okay.
Thank you for plugging our online business.
Yes.
Sorry po. We proceed to the next question natin.
Okay, ayan na lang naman yata. Okay, yeah.
Meron tayong 1 second to the last po.
Okay.
So, thank you guys for still with us, even though our connection nawala kanina. I have another question for Ate before we finish. We have one more after this one. What small wins or lessons have you learned along the way?
Ay, alam mo marami. Yung small wins when yung everyday na nakikita ko na ay nakakapag-proceed ako sa training, I celebrate that. Small wins in terms of, you know, a more positive mindset. Actually, it's a big win para sa akin. Tapos yung little lessons na marunong na akong mag-Canva or how to make better posts, learning from our mentors. I consider those as really important lessons. And being a part of this community and knowing a lot of people who have come a long way from being, sabi nila, from zero to hero, because there were business owners who lost their jobs, and that's why they thought about starting an online business. That is huge. And there's a lot more lessons that we can share to people, and the learnings that we have every day, like to be more grateful, to be more appreciative of the things that you have. And then habang nagiging mas grateful tayo, parang mas dumarating yung blessings. So it's a big win also to inspire somebody. And then they will eventually join you and they say they'll start your business. And of course, financially, hindi naman natin maitatanggi na when you open your mailbox and you know you have your checks, your business blessings, nakakatuwa kasi naisip mo na ay, it's working.
Totoo siya, di ba?
It's working. Yeah, nakakatuwa. I'm sure you know that. Na parang excited ka to get up in the morning. Isa pang malaking win na na-gain ko dito, yung self-care. Kasi mas na-realize ko kung gaano ka-importante na alagaan ang sarili. And because this business is so flexible, pwede akong maging, aside from the work that I am doing, meron akong mga extracurriculars ang tawag ko sa kanila. If I have like offline meetups with fellow business owners, and then if you wanna go for a massage, there's more flexibility. Yeah.
Correct. Kasi hindi ka naman laging nakatutok dito, di ba? Schedule mo siya, tapos automated naman siya.
Kasi even when you're not working on it, if you have done your part already, then it runs in the background. Yeah.
Yes, you don't have to be there all day and watch it. Yeah.
You do your part, of course. You want to treat it like a business so that it will pay you like a business. Sabi nga, if you treat it like a hobby, then it will pay you like a hobby.
That's right. Mm-hmm. So, yan guys, narinig niyo ko anong sinabi ni Ate Myra. Napakagandang advice po sa lahat. Ang sagot niya. I have one more question, Ate.
Yes.
Let's do this one, lad. For those still thinking about starting but afraid of failing, what would you say to them?
What I can say is that hindi ka makakarating ng finish line kung hindi ka nagsa-start. Diba? How would you even reach the finish line kung hindi ka naman nag-start? And you're thinking it, yeah, it's okay, think about it, but sometimes you're overthinking it and then nawawalan ka na ng momentum. And then lahat ng nagsimula ng online business sa ating community, I can guarantee you 99.99%, we all started scared because we didn't know how to run it. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
We were all uncertain. Hindi natin alam kung saan tayo patutungo. But look at all these successful business owners now. They have the
We start to
confidence.
zero knowledge.
Yes. Yes, just like you and me, just like they also started with nothing, with zero. So it's
Yeah.
okay. Be afraid, be scared, but do it scared. At saka, kung natatakot ka sa mistakes mo, ang masasabi ko doon, alam mo, sinubukan mo at nagkamali ka, edi bumangon ka. Diba? You're afraid to fail. Kapag ka-afraid ang isang tao to fail, parang hindi ka rin, I don't know that there is success without failures. Kasi,
Yeah, paano mo lalaman kung hindi inumpisahan, di ba?
yeah, yung mga successful na tao ngayon na tinitingala natin, hindi natin nakita nung nag-struggle sila. I'm sure there were a lot of failures. Kaya para sa akin, i-embrace mo lang yung failures na yan. Kasi yung mga failures na yan, stepping stones yan to success. Kaya, go ahead and do it. Yeah. You're afraid of being judged by other people. They will judge you anyway.
Correct.
Diba? You started, yeah. You're afraid that their opinions might hurt you. It's okay, get hurt. But the last time I checked, their opinions did pay the bills. Diba? So
everybody needs to pay the bills.
Yeah, I will do it anyway. And if there is anything also that I can advise those who really would like to start it, you start it now. Start it now. Watch that free webinar. Libre po ang webinar so that you will meet people that had real experiences, real struggles, and real success. Sila yung mga tao na nandito na sa community na nagsistay because, there's something good about it. And your earning potential is unlimited. So that if you are supporting families and other relatives or you have charities back home, you can leverage on this. Maaasahan mo talaga to para mas umasenso ka. Kasi lahat naman tayo may mga pangarap. Ngayon, kung yung mga pangarap natin ay iiwanan lang natin na nakabaon sa una natin, walang mangyayari. Kasi yung pangarap natin, kailangan pinapartner na natin yan ng action at ng maraming prayers para magkatotoo sila. Huwag nating iwanan na pangarap lang sila. That's what I can say. Scared? Scared. Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman natin alam, di ba, kung hindi mo pisahan. So, paano mo masasabi na, na mag-failing ka? So, go nang go. As we mentioned before, wala ka namang kailangang experience para sumali. Kasi meron nga tayong yung video-based training na makikita naman talaga natin habang pinag-aralan natin ito, di ba? Tapos, hindi ka naman kailangang tech-savvy kasi supportive community tayo na tutulong every step of the way. So, hindi ka rin naman pabayaan. Nandyan lang din naman yan sila, So, yeah. Okay, kung sino yung gustong sumali, ito mukha namin, nandyan si Ate Myra. I know she promoted her website before. This journey is not easy, but you have to try if you're really wanting to learn. Kung gusto mo talaga at saka interesado ka na magbago buhay mo, makatulong ka sa pamilya mo, so nasa sayo na yan.
Yes.
Diba, ate?
Yeah, you have to believe to achieve. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. Mayroon ka pang sasabihin natin?
Yeah, yun lang message na binanggit ko na kanina na there is so much hope in this opportunity. if you're watching this or you're going to be watching the replay later on and you're not yet a part of our community, you might have seen it because this is a divine appointment. It's probably an indication that your dreams will be a reality. Basta subukan mong gawin ang ginawa ng napakaraming successful na ng mga tao na ngayon ay tumutulong na sa napakaraming families. So if you see this and you want a change in your life, you may be saying that it's outside of your comfort zone, but everybody in this community started with nothing and look at them now. So start now.
Yes.
That free webinar.
Successful, retiring early, nagta-travel na kung saan-saan. Meron na silang monthly income from this business. So, diba, nasa kanila na yun.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Ate, for joining me tonight. I appreciate your...
Yes, my pleasure. My pleasure and my
honor. Accepting my invitation tonight, Ate. I know it's nighttime over there, but you're still here, awake, and answering all my questions. Thank you, everyone, for who's watching us today. Until next time.
Thank you so much, everybody. Good night.